To deploy apps on Jekyo, you must have Node.js, npm, and Git installed. You can find more details about the local setup in the description below. If it's your first time using Jekyo, you need to install it, create an account, and sign in. All of these can be done from the terminal. To install Jekyo, run npm install test global flag Jekyo. To create an account, run Jekyo user sign up and follow the instructions. And to sign in, run Jekyo user sign in and then input your username and password when prompted. This tutorial covers two scenarios: creating and deploying a sample Echo app and configuring and deploying an existing Echo app. To create an Echo app, run Jekyo create. This will show you a list of frameworks. Selecting one will clone a pre-configured basic app that you can build upon. So go ahead and select Echo using the arrows on your keyboard. Name your application Echo Demo. Now you can see that in the folder you are working in, there's a new one with the name you've just given and the app inside of it. To deploy this app, navigate to its directory and run Jekyo deploy. Now the app is deployed and you can follow the link to see it live on Jekyo. If you want to redeploy this app after you've modified it, commit your changes and simply run Jekyo deploy again. To deploy an existing Echo app, navigate to its directory and make sure this is a Git repository. So if you haven't already done so, run git init, git add dot, which is short for all, and git commit your commit message. You can skip this last step if this was already a Git repository. Next, you must edit the file called go.mod. At the start, add another line that specifies which version of Go you're using. Please note that slashes are also necessary. Next, you must also edit the file called main.go. In the main function, your elogger line should also contain Jekyo's port and host with os.getEnv. So edit the line to look like this. Please note that because we're using FMT and OS, we need to import them. So make sure your import includes them. If your main file is called something other than main.go, you should rename it to main.go. Next, add main.go and go.mod to the Git index, commit your changes, and then run Jekyo create. From the list, select none. This creates an empty app on Jekyo that we will then link to our local app. Name your application. It doesn't have to match to your local folder, it can be anything else. And now run Jekyo link. Select your recently named app from the list, in my case Echo tutorial, and now simply run Jekyo deploy. The deployment process can take up to a few minutes depending on your app. Now the app is deployed and you can follow the link to see it live on Jekyo. If you need to update your live app, add the modified files to the Git index by running git add, commit your changes, and simply run Jekyo deploy again. You will see your changes live in a few moments without any downtime. Feel free to post any questions you might have in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.